Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. Those purchases, it's all about the Chicago Bear. I like all the team. I get some favorite team on the Chicago Bear. It's one of my favorite team. Let's go. I will show you. First, it's very nice. I picked up this from a French seller. That it's a Walter Payton. It's a big card, and it's very funny because it's come from Lake County Discovery Museum, and I think in the time between October 2004 and June 2005 they did they presented a collection or something like this about Walter Payton the Great. I will just say a shout out to Brian because he's a great guy. He's a big fan about Walter Payton of the Chicago Bear, and it's very sweet card. I unexpected to find this from a French seller, and I will put it on the case because this card is so sweet. I don't know if you ever seen this. Looks to be a big card. We can say a postcard. I don't know, or maybe just an advertising about the collection at this time, but the presentation of the collection. But it's a great card. I love this. Move on. Another sweet that is come from an English seller. I very also pay few bucks. It's a book about Walter Payton, and I love it to read this book. You can see in the first page also it's edited from another player, Tiki Barber, Tom Brady, John Elway, Brett Favre, etc., etc. And we learn a lot of things, and just of course the end of the book is sad because they speak about the demise of Walter Payton, but it's really a nice book. Not too many photos, but very interesting to read it. I know in reading this book that firstly Walter Payton attended to try to go to the college, to the Kansas University, but it was a little too far from him home, and he was not very not to be well in this university, and after he moved on to the same university of his brother that he was Jackson State. Okay, move on. Next, that it's come from a German seller, and for this moment I not read this book, but this book looks crazy. It's a book about the history of the Chicago Bear. The books looks everything. For this moment I not read, but some so beautiful photo about the franchise. We see Red Grange on the left. That it's crazy. I don't know if you see well, and I will try to read this book, but this book looks to be phenomenal because with some former photo, and I think they will to speak about all the history of the franchise, and that it's look crazy, all the era. I will not show you all the page, but on the left, on the right, sorry, you must to see George Dick Buckus with George Alas. That's so crazy nice. Okay, move on. I will not show you all the page because so many Walter Payton on this that it's crazy nice. Oh, you see also the famous coach of the 1986 title, that it's Mike Ditka. I will also do another shout out. It's Mike, that it's a big fan of the Chicago Bear on the Ditka Collector. The name of this channel is Ditka Collector. you can look on this his channel because he's really friendly and he gets some recent stuff about Mike Ditka and other collectible about sport. That's really a great channel, and you can check his video. That it's nice. I don't know if you see very well, but okay, I will not show you all the page, but this book look crazy. I will just say you the author of the books. It's Lew Friedman. Okay, Lew Friedman. Okay, nice. Move on. On my last, it's two magazine. I purchased this magazine from a French seller too. I maybe a little bit overpaid, but anyway, it's quite in good condition. I will also put in a case. It's a Dick Buckus photo. I love the cover. I will put in the plastic cover, more rigid. And to be honest, I did not know this guy. First time I seen this guy, it's one of my favorite TV series was MacGyver. MacGyver was one of my favorite TV when I grew up with the A teams. And after I know that he was a legendary player, a very fierce defensive player. But I love this and love so much this magazine. On my last magazine, nothing exceptional, but it's a vintage Beckett vintage magazine collector. I will try to purchase more issue magazine about this series because I love the vintage card, and it's very I love to read it, the magazine, and that is. Oh, you see Bill Belichick and it smile. That's a little special to see him smile. But very nice on the cover. There is Mike Singletary, Iron Mike. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.